going viral.
Hey guys, it's Jacy, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some of the things that I did to edit my home screen and all that stuff. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to customize apps, but make sure to go and subscribe right down there for those of you who haven't already. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up because you already know you have. And also don't forget to click that I button in the top corner right here to see more videos. And yeah, let's just get into the video. Alright, so obviously I'm going to be screen recording, so alright, oh, my cousin texted me. Alright, so as you can see, so first things first, as you go into my home screen, you can see on my main apps, the ones that the essentials in the first screen. The next section, you will start to see, and then as you keep going to the next screens, you can see how I organized my apps. My theme is like blue, but like different shades of blue, not just one certain color. And I got inspiration from someone on TikTok, I forgot their name, and they put different shades of pink on their apps, which was really cool, and I was like, wow, that's really cool. So after the main screen, I went on to the second one. I have, a calculator. I need a calculator. TikTok, YouTube, Spotify, Pinterest. I will get more into Widgetsmith after this, but these are all the things that I need mostly. So I put like another small widget on the top, on the bottom right. Jesus said chill because that's literally funny. I thought it was funny. So I put a large Widgetsmith right in the center, and it says it's all in your head because that like motivates me, especially when you play sport. A really good motivation for me. On the next screen, I could do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13, because that is my favorite Bible verse. I put, my events, my calendar. Just today and tomorrow I have nothing, which is kind of sad, but yeah. The next screen is just kind of like everything put together. But yeah, this is pretty much all my screens. I love TikTok, so I added this right here, so it just shows like the For You page and stuff like that. Alright, so now I'm gonna get into the editing. So I'm gonna be showing you guys first how to use Widgetsmith, which is what these battery icon, the verse. So let's just go to Widgetsmith. I'm not exactly sure how to explain it, but it's just little icons that you can add onto your phone. As I go onto Widgetsmith, you can see that I have a lot of little widgets on here. Let's just say I wanted to add this one, add a smaller widget, right? You click on it and go onto default widget, and you can literally decorate it to however you want it to be. A clock, time, the date, what day it is today. You can customize it with photos. For example, I will select a photo and create a small widget. I'm gonna put this one. It says, okay, because that's usually what I say all the time. You can change it as my battery icon, as you guys saw already. You can do a lot with Widgetsmith, but for right now, I'm gonna let's just say I wanna add the month, okay? And then I want to change the font, right? I like to keep it at New York because that's kind of like the style that I'm going for. So you could change the font color, then you could change the background color. My theme is like blue, so I would change it to blue. You could change the border. I like it, it's just that the border is just like really thick and it looks kind of odd when I put it onto my screen. And then once you're done with that, you go back and save it. And there's also something really cool about Widgetsmith is that you can change it up. So let's take this one for example. For an example, I'm gonna add a widget. I'm gonna add a large widget, right? Let's see, add widget. I can put it on top of it, and I can switch. You see what I did there? Now I'm gonna get into the more complicating stuff, which is editing your apps. So as you can see, they're all different shades of blue. All right, first of all, I would go to shortcuts. Okay, shortcuts is a lifesaver when it comes to editing apps. Ignore all this stuff because like I edited so many apps, as you can see. You're gonna wanna go to the plus sign on the top right corner to add action, or you're gonna wanna type in open apps. So go to open app, right? You're gonna wanna choose an app you want to edit. So let's say I wanted to edit photos. Okay, I'm gonna click on photos, right? Then, right after this, click those three dots on the top corner, click on it, and then enter your shortcut name. It can be whatever. Let's just name it photography. And then I would add it to my home screen. So click on add it to my home screen. Okay, so this second name is going to pop up on your actual screen. So let's say I wanted to show up as photos. Well, obviously, because that's the app that I'm editing. Okay, now to edit the actual icon photo. Click on that, those two squares overlapping. Click on it and choose photo. Okay, it'll take you to your photo album. So you're gonna want to click on a picture you want to add. So let's say I wanted to add this blue color, and that's what my app would look like. So now you can add it. And look, it's added to your home screen. See, it's added right there. I can edit this, I can put this over here, I can put it over here, it doesn't matter. That's how you edit your apps. Let's say I wanted to go on TikTok, so I'll click on TikTok. I'm gonna have to go through shortcuts for like a few seconds and then go to TikTok. Yes, it gets annoying, but it's worth it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. And before you guys leave, make sure to go and subscribe right down there. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys took away from this video and learned some new cool tips and tricks from this video. Click the like button in the top corner right here to see more videos. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!